Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this. Give it a little color. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Today I'm gonna do a cube ribeye steak, hibachi grill style on the grill, 36-inch Weber grill. Here you can see I got the eggs, cube ribeye steak. I got some minced garlic, actually freshly made, chopped up. So soy sauce. You need some pepper, some pink salt, oyster sauce, butter, and then here I got green peppers, broccoli, and zucchini, mushroom, and then of course some jasmine rice right here, guys. Look at this, 6 cups of jasmine rice. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up the grill here, guys. Get some water. Nice and clean. Okay, next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a butter in here, guys. Butter, a whole stick of butter. Okay. We're gonna put the cube steak on there, ribeye steak on there. Got heat on high. You want it to sear, so make sure it's all flat, even. Let it crystallize and sear. This time I turn it down. Sprinkle a little salt. Sprinkle some pepper on here, guys. Ground pepper, that's what you want. Ground pepper, get the most flavor out. Now ribeye steak, guys, you don't have to season much because they have a lot of flavor. Beef has flavor on it. Sprinkle a lot of pepper, guys. You can smell the peppercorn. Next, some pink salt, guys. Get a little salt. You start to see it crystallize here. Look at that. Well, 3 minutes, and then you flip over and do the next 3 minutes on the other side. So now I'm gonna flip it, guys. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Oh yeah. See how you want that brown, that crystallized? Look at that. Look at that over there. Pink salt, ground pepper, mix it up here. So these three zones I got on high, and this one it's gonna be a heating zone, so it's on low. Is that butter is gonna crystallize it. Okay, now I'm gonna screw all this meat over here, guys. So we're gonna throw the rice in here. Okay, all right. Throw the rice in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. See, you want to break it apart. Okay. I'm gonna add a half stick of butter in here, guys, for the rice. And I'm gonna save a little 1/2 for the veggies later. Look at this. Oh yeah. We're using jasmine rice, guys. Jasmine rice is not too dry, soft. You need to cook it with a little bit more water, but tastes a lot better. You put a little bit of soy sauce in it. Yeah. A little bit of oyster sauce. Brown some pepper in. Oh, you can smell them. It smells so good, guys. Some salt. Some people put MSG in it. Gives it a little more flavor. You just sprinkle a little bit of salt in it. Look at that, guys. You want it to turn a little bit brown. A little bit brown, guys. That oyster sauce, that soy sauce, can give it a little bit more brown tip. And then here you want to flip it. Yeah. And throw some eggs in here, guys. Give it a little color. Oh yeah. Give a little garlic here, minced garlic. Okay, now mix all the meat up, guys. Now we're gonna do the veggies here. Put the rest of that butter in. A little more minced garlic. Oh yeah. Look at that. You can either mix it with your rice, or we're gonna separate it because kids, they don't like the veggies, so we're gonna separate with the butter. No, the veggie cooks really fast, guys. Throw a little soy sauce in there. Pepper. Oyster sauce, give a little flavor. Oh yeah. You want to cook it just about 5 minutes. You want to overcook the veggies. Mix it up and then we're done. Oh yeah, look at this. One bowl. Two. Get some veggies for the kids. They gotta eat some veggies. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.